this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up the Mansfield Relative Strength indicator on your chart in TradingView so you can spot stocks that are outperforming the market. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the stock you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, go to the top of the screen and click on the Indicators button. This will open the Indicators search window. In the search bar, type Mansfield Relative Strength. You'll see several community scripts appear in the results. Choose one of the popular versions, usually with good ratings or higher usage, and click on it. The indicator will instantly be added to your chart, typically in a panel below your price chart. Now, to customize it, hover over the indicator name and click on the Settings gear icon. Inside the settings, look for the benchmark symbol. This is what your stock is being compared against. For example, you can use S&P 500 or change it to something like Nasdaq Composite depending on your strategy. Next, check the period or look back setting. A common choice is 52 weeks, which gives you a longer term view of relative strength. You can also enable smoothing if your version supports it, which helps make the line less noisy and easier to read. After adjusting your settings, click OK or Apply to save. Now look at the indicator line. When it's above 0, the stock is outperforming the benchmark. When it's below 0, it's underperforming. This makes it much easier to identify strong stocks that are leading the market instead of just moving up with everything else. That's it. You've successfully set up and customized the Mansfield Relative Strength indicator on TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.